English you can live in. Healthy plate. I check the fridge. Pick whole foods, fruits and veggies, better moods. Plant-based meals or protein too. Balanced choices guide what I do. Digital apps track nutrition fast, calories, vitamins, each meal lasts. I swap snacks for nuts or seeds, drink water first. Meet my needs. Meal prep shows me what's in store. Recipes guide, I try much more. Healthy eating keeps energy high. Digital tools help me comply. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.